Today is a very special day because Ethereum is now trading at a new all-time high. Ethereum has finally punched up above the $1,500 price level, and we only have 2.5 hours left on this current daily candle, and it seems quite likely that Ethereum is about to get its highest daily candle close in its history. I'm going to be telling you guys exactly what I expect from Ethereum over the next 6 months and why we could hit a potential upside target of $10,000 to $20,000. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today is an epic day. We are seeing amazing price action across the board for most of the top cryptos. Bitcoin is seeing a really nice bounce back. It's currently up almost 5.5%, trading above 35,500. And for Ethereum, this is a very historic day. New all-time highs were up nearly 14% in the past 24 hours, trading above 1,500. And looking at the Cryptowatch homepage, it seems like it's a pretty nice day for most people here in the crypto market. Now, the talk of the town today is clearly Ethereum, because we are now going through price discovery for Ethereum once again, which I think is kind of funny because it's happening on Groundhog Day. Ethereum punching to new all-time highs once again. And for those of you in Patreon, the Ethereum price prediction contest ends in a couple hours and somebody's going to win 0.25 ETH. Now, today I want to focus on Ethereum and discuss my future projections for Ethereum and why I think we could be headed towards the $4,000 level before consolidating for a few months and then running up to a 5-digit target as high as 10 to 20,000. And what you're looking at right here is my Ethereum 2 staking position. I have 31 ETH staked on the Kraken exchange. If you guys want to stake Ethereum, it's super simple on the Kraken exchange. Sign up using my Kraken affiliate link below if you want to support this channel. Now, in order to understand why this is my prediction, why I'm expecting this type of movement for Ethereum, we first have to understand what my long-term prediction for Bitcoin is, because my Bitcoin prediction is really what's driving the Ethereum prediction. As we know, Bitcoin is the driving factor of this market, and if Bitcoin's not doing well, Ethereum's not doing well in the long term. In every Bitcoin bull market so far, we've seen a multi-1,000% gain to the upside, followed by an 85% correction, and then the market waits for the halving to take place before the bull run begins once again. The same thing happened from 2017 going into 2020. Multi-1,000% gain, 85% correction, sideways consolidation, and then the halving kicks off the bull market. And according to the stock to flow model, in my projections, Bitcoin could be entering the 6-digit range as high as 100,000 to as high as 250,000, which is actually my expected price target for Bitcoin in this bull market. And this is not an exaggeration, guys. There's nothing crazy about this prediction. This is actually the average performance for Bitcoin in a bull market, and this is going right along with the stock to flow model. And also, I believe that the bull market is going to peak sometime in the summer of this year. That means 6 months from now, the crypto market will very likely be seeing its final expansion to the upside before hitting a point of overexuberance, before then collapsing back down, possibly 80% to the downside to test 50,000 US dollars as my expected bear market low target. The cool thing about that is anything below about 50,000, 42,000 to 50,000 is potentially a once in a lifetime buy opportunity where we may never actually come back to these prices ever again. And this means that we are still early. If you're buying crypto right now, you are still early. What I'm expecting is for Ethereum to sort of follow Bitcoin on this trajectory. As Bitcoin sees 2 final major waves to the upside, Ethereum would probably see something similar to that, where we would break out from here, head towards our first major fib extension target, roughly 4,000, just to give a whole number target, more specifically from high to low using our fib extensions. The target that I'm discussing actually comes in a little bit closer to 3,550, 3,600. That's a 2618. This is my first major upside target for Ethereum on that first next wave, the next parabolic advance to the upside. I'm looking for Ethereum to target around 3,600 for the first major wave to the upside. Again, following Bitcoin on this next wave up. Things are going to get wild in this market, and it's totally possible that we could actually retest our previous resistance as new support on the way up. And that's pretty standard action for Bitcoin. And that's kind of what I'm looking for Ethereum here. We run up to roughly 4K, pull back to the all-time high. Retail traders are going to FOMO in to this breakout over the next few weeks, months. And then very likely profit takers are going to step in, and then the retail is going to panic out. The whales are going to eat up their orders, buy back in, and churn the price. And I think we're going to be consolidating, above our previous all-time high for Bitcoin and Ethereum here, before then breaking out for the final wave up at the end of the bull market, hitting our point of over exuberance before then consolidating until the next halving. And if we do follow this cycle, which is pretty traditional for crypto, then Ethereum may be looking to, again, test the all-time high, consolidate before the final wave up to a potential 5-digit target of 10 to 20,000, which is what I've depicted here on Twitter. Something like this, in my opinion, is totally possible. So that is my long-term prediction for Ethereum at this point, right? And again, it lines up, it goes hand in hand with my Bitcoin prediction, which goes along with the stock to flow model. And I'm also accounting for Bitcoin's traditional cycles and its average performance. So it might sound crazy, but I really think that all of this is totally possible and is actually extremely likely. And another thing that gives me more confidence that Ethereum is going to do well is that Ethereum is basically the powerhouse behind the DeFi revolution. Ethereum accounts for such a large portion of DeFi that I don't see why it can't be massively successful in this bull market. So that is my Ethereum and Bitcoin predictions for you guys. Again, they both go hand in hand. They're not separate. They're pretty much the same analysis, a little bit different for each though. And something else that's very important is that Bitcoin dominance has barely even started to get a retracement. It's barely even started to collapse. And in the last bull market, Bitcoin dominance only started to fall here after Ethereum broke the all-time high in March. That's when this collapse took place. And Ethereum today is just now breaking above the all-time high. So we can expect that Ethereum is going to take up a large market share. The altcoins are going to start moving. And yeah, I think that Bitcoin dominance is likely going to see a massive retracement over the course of this bull market. And we're at that same exact point now where Ethereum is just starting to break that all-time high level and Bitcoin dominance is just starting to pull back. So definitely be ready for the altcoins to see 10, 100, 1000x gains. For Ethereum, I'm thinking we could see a 10x here, maybe even more. Maybe we go as high as 20,000. So a revolutionary technology like Bitcoin could see a much higher market cap in the future. And Ethereum is the powerhouse behind decentralized finance, which in of itself is easily $1 trillion market. So we are still very early in terms of the crypto market. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a better understanding of why I'm expecting Bitcoin and Ethereum to hit such high price targets in this bull market. And this is exactly what I expect from the market moving forward over the next year. And as you guys know on this channel, we are totally focused on the long term, making long-term gains. Massive multi-1000% trends is what we're looking to ride. So if you guys want to do the same, definitely subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.